benefited tremendously from having a social, political, and economic system defined by work and the contribution of workers. At the heart of our progressive constitution are national values and principles of governance with social justice and all its dimensions, family at the core. As Kenyans, we find no problem whatsoever in accepting that social justice provides solutions for the most urgent and pressing issues of our time. I am delighted to note that this summit has not been shy to confront even uncomfortable subjects, including the need to make significant progress in democratizing the International Labour Organization as part of enhancing social justice, all the way from the workplace to international relations, as well as the urgent matter of just transition to give the world a better chance of actualizing the global aspiration of a better future of work. I commend you for recognizing the importance of these matters and addressing them in a committed, serious, and solution-oriented manner. The ILO system is worker-oriented in that it primarily represents workers' interests. Yet, labor rights are affected by both employment and unemployment. It should concern us very deeply that unemployment rates in Africa are some of the world's highest, with many countries reporting between a quarter and a third of their populations not engaged in secure, productive employment. As we speak about matters pertaining to work, we must also speak about the millions of jobless people whose voices cannot be heard at a conference like this. The aspirations of the unemployed matter and should be seen to matter.